Hello, trading is closed on November 2, 2015. My last call said there was a MEJT target of 2091.05. I said that Friday's action was negative. I felt there was an increased risk the target would not print. I said if we gapped up it probably would, but otherwise I thought we'd drop to the 2060.34 level. Well, we gapped up and hit the target. During the day, MEJT said ultimately higher prices would print, and they certainly did. It also said lower prices will print. They haven't printed yet, so we have an ultimate target of 2088.82. Ultimate targets don't have any particular time frame, but usually you don't have to wait long. MEJT also says the afternoon rally is a false move and gives us a target of 2096.53, most likely to print tomorrow, and that's my call for tomorrow. Well, we rallied all day long, but we still could not close over the middle of the day high unless we gap over today's high. That usually leads to lower prices, but if we do gap over that high, I think there could still be trouble. Here's the 15-minute chart. We have bar 13 of a combo sell and bar 13 of a sequential sell. Here's a 65-minute chart. We have a sequential sell there too. We're awfully close to a combo sell. Here's the 78-minute chart. Any higher than today's high, and we'll have a real or an early bar 13 on the combo and the sequential sell signal. All of these in alignment usually work, although they aren't very specific on saying from where the drop begins. The FOMC announcement came at 2084.03. We then dropped 20.92 points. Typically what happens, just ignore this because it didn't stick. What typically happens is we drop by a certain amount. We then go over that price by a larger amount. 2217 is larger than 2092. And then drop below this line by an amount larger than this rally over the line. So 22 points under this puts us in the low 2060s at a minimum, assuming that typical whipsaw works and assuming we don't go higher. So we might go slightly higher tomorrow to give us a bar 13 on some more of the DeMark counts, although we don't have to. But for tomorrow, I'm looking for a drop to 2096.53 and probably won't have to wait that long for 2088.82. And I think we're going down into the 2060s. That's my call. I'm going to ask you to help me out with a possible project of mine. I've had a number of requests to write the software on a platform other than the TradeStation platform. TradeStation is not free, and some people have already committed themselves to other service providers. NinjaTrader is free. It would take us a lot of work to write the software, and before my programmer enters into it, we have to see what the demand is. If you're interested and want to let me know a fair price you'd be willing to pay, please write me at mejt.trades@gmail.com. Write me this week. Tell me if you're interested in a NinjaTrader free version of the MEJT software and how much you would realistically be willing to spend. It's a lot of work, but if there's enough demand, we will do it. And that is today's video.